Why I choose
Why IRMA, right?
Why IRMA is actually pretty simple.
Led me to IRMA.
In dairy technology,
Beauty of the campus.
It was the
For
curriculum.
maximum opportunities and
management education.
IRMA is the best.
hello, I'm Rajat Tripathi from PRM 41. When I was pursuing my graduation in dairy technology, I realized that there was a huge gap between commodity markets and actual rural India. The farmers were not getting paid their actual prices for their commodities, and that's when I decided to be a part of something that is bigger than me, that is trying to make a change. Going through IRMA's curriculum, I realized that there were a lot of learning opportunities in terms of VFS, SIS, and many more learning segments. And that's when I decided to join IRMA. I joined IRMA because I too had a dream.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Niharika Singh and I am from PGDRM 41 batch of IRMA. Why I choose IRMA is basically a three-step process for me. The first step being I opted for IRMA because being an agricultural graduate, IRMA was synchronizing very well with my profile. The second and one of the important steps being when I went to the campus for the IRMA SAT interviews, seriously I just fell in love with the lush green campus. And the third and the most important and vital step is right now I started studying at IRMA, being a part of the IRMA fraternity. And I must tell you, IRMA is the best faculty which caters to the need of the major population of India which resides in villages and helps us in developing a broad horizon of the pro-market and the pro-development view. And additionally, IRMA teaches us, we managers, to do business with a human face. So these are the three key aspects of why I have chosen IRMA, and all the best to the 2021 aspirants. All the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mrityunjay Agarwal from PRM 41. So what led me to IRMA, or why I chose IRMA? Well, everybody have their own expectations from their B school. Like for some it's the placements, for some it's the campus life, for some it's the alumni network. But for me particularly it was the curriculum. A curriculum which can give me more practical exposure, more on-field experience. And that's when I got to know about IRMA's curriculum, which includes the induction fieldwork segment, the village fieldwork segment, the summer internship segment. Now these segments actually give you an opportunity to explore yourself, to test yourself in different sectors, which gives you a holistic approach to make a more sound decision about a career choice. And this was the reason for me to choose IRMA. Thank you.
My reason of why IRMA is actually pretty simple and basic. I was a fresher looking for maximum opportunities and exposure. So when I came to know about IRMA, I knew it was a place that maintains a balance between corporate and development sector. I knew the faculty which is going to teach me is going to include experts from core MBA fields like marketing and finance, as well as from fields like development and research. And that is exactly what I was looking for. I was looking to increase my knowledge and to improve my ground level understanding, and hence I landed up in IRMA.
Why IRMA, right? The day I set my foot on IRMA campus for my interview, I was just mesmerized. I was hypnotized by the beauty of the campus. Also, since I had my startup where I provided education to the rural areas of Jaunpur, Basti and Akbarpur, IRMA was the best place for me. With this unique pedagogy, with this one-of-a-kind village fieldwork segment, where you not only study about rural India, you get to be a part of rural India and live the life of rural India. The legacy of Dr. Varghese Kurian is known by the masses. And it was a matter of extreme pride for me to be a part of an institution that is his legacy. Not only did I understood that what it takes to be an Irman, but also I understood the responsibility of being an Irman. Thank you so
Hello,
much.
my name is Sunit and I am participant of 41st batch of IRMA's flagship program, PGDM RM. IRMA provides professional management education to serve the underserved segment of the economy. IRMA's state-of-the-art facility, well-renowned faculty and legacy of over 40 years makes it one of the top B schools in India. IRMA's unique curriculum nurtures the budding managers to serve both development as well as corporate sector with confidence, and that's why I choose it.